Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
And I am very fortunate to be assisted at Counter 66 by your former student. Pangalan?
Audrey Polat M. Ramos po, sir, from Lyceum, Manila.
Say hi to Ma'am Beth.
Hello po.
Guys, good afternoon. Andito na naman kami sa paliparan ng Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 2. At alam nyo ba kung saan kami pupunta? Dito, punta kami sa bayan ni Manny Pacquiao, sa Jensan. Hindi po namin pwedeng pakita kung sinong kasama namin. Yan po yung aming sasakyang airplane. Basura na po kami dito sa Terminal 2 ng Palu. Oh, here's my boarding pass. From what school are you? I'm in Mindanao. How about you? Okay, sir. Ano? Sinabi ng video? I'm from the field. Tamaral. Ah. Wow, ang senior dito sa maganda. Good afternoon. You are from what school? St. Louis? Boarding. This is a 3-3 configuration. This is an Airbus 320. Airbus 320? 321. And you are? From what school are you? From LaSalle. Manila. Bye-bye. Okay. Ano ba ako? 71? Ay, doon ako sa Julie.
Saan ka, sir?
Doon. Ikaw, anong pangalan mo? Trish. From what school? Ha? New Era. Oh, mga Iglesia. Nice to meet you. Excuse me, madam.
Anong new era ka, ma'am? Wala lang namin si Mama ng kaya.
Ay.
Bulacan yata yun.
Oops.
Sinong sa gitna kaya natin?
Guys, good evening. We are here at Margot's, and this will be our dinner for tonight. Tonight is Sunday. I don't know what these food are. May hipon, may tapsoy, may kinilaw, And, dami, ano ba ito? Dami, parang, ano? Chicharo, wow. Of course, kanin. Diyan tayo sa banda dyan, para sama-sama na tayo. And this,
Daddy.
Guys, good evening. We are staying here at the Japanese Villas and Courtyard Hotel in Coronadal na ba to? Coronadal na, no? We'll be staying here for 2 nights and we have here the lovely people. You are? Jonah. And then, ano pangalan ko? Hazel. And then, we have here the Coco Island. This is 150 only. Only ha? 150 pesos. Alam niyo ba kung ano to? Ito ay... Baka nagulat kayo. Buko from Thailand daw. This will cost you 150 only. Ano kayang lasa ng buko ng Thailand? And they're having an early Christmas decoration. Ganda itong hotel na ito. Again, Japanese Villas and Courtyard Hotel. Guys, good afternoon. We are right here at our hotel accommodation for our 2 to 3 days here. And this is, nga bang ano to? Japan ano? Welcome to Japan. Yan. Ito po yung ating Japanese Imperial Army Sir Dennis. Yan. And then, ay, Japanese ang ano nito, ang ambience. So, okay naman. Ito po yung ating leader of the gang at saka yung isa pa yan. Yan. So, meron dito may plancha, meron dito safety deposit boxes, box na pala, sorry. And then diba? Ito comfort room lang to. CR, nasa ang paliguan doon sa kabila. Okay. Ito ang malaking, hindi pala malaking TV, maliit lang pala, malaki lang yung wall. And then ito may welcome drinking water and everything, Nescafe, coffee mate. telephone, and this is my bed. Finger, and then my good friend, Dr. Dennis here. Dari aking kabayan sa ano. Yan. Hello! Ano nga po sa atin? Ohayo gozaimasu! The bubble, and this is our switch. Yan. Our shower room. Wow. Okay. So, we'll be staying here for 2 nights. And we'll be having dinner later on. Babay muna po. Guys, good morning. We are here at the farm at Carpenter Hill in Coronadal, and we're going to have our breakfast, which includes the following. This is fried rice, and we also have our cream of corn soup. We have plain rice, garlic rice, adobong sitaw, walang kamatayang hotdog, and then pritong isda. This is tilapia, garlic chicken, beef tapa, and strictly no leftover here. So ang ating cook for the day is ang pangalan mo po, sir? Adrian. Wow. Nag-scramble. Yan. Again, ito po ang ating special guest, ang aking roommate. Maging ano yan, kasama sa room, sa pagkain, at sa layo ng aming nilakad. Mauubos ang aming yan. And then ito, tomatoes, onions, ham, mushroom, and cheese. Wow! Let's say good morning, everybody. Yan. Ito ang mga nice people from Coronadal. Am I right? Ako naman, you are Mr. Adrian and Carl. Okay. Ito yung mga special visitor namin. Ito yung sa akin ni ano, ha? Ano lang, medium. So, antayin natin. Yan. Kayo ba'y ano, HRM graduates ba kayo? Or high school pa lang? Kaka-graduate lang ng high school. Ayos yan. College, anong kursong kinuha? Ha? Oh, hospitality management. Saan? Sa anong school? Golden State ng Marbel. Yan. Magaling siya magluto. Yan ang pinag-aralan niya ng 4 na taon. Kung paano magpiperito ng itlog. Ay, kanino yan? Okay. Okay, I'll get back to you, ha? This is our healthy corner, consisting of sliced fresh fruits, pakwan, piña, atcharan Filipino, atcharan papaya, parmesan cheese, balsamic, Cesar, Thousand Island. This is salad. And then you have to have your toast bread, white bread, with peanut butter, pineapple jam butter, and strawberry jam. And more drinks. Coffee, sugar, creamer, hot choco. You have Dilma tea, pineapple juice, and Four Seasons. This is the whole of the farm at Carpenter. Ito po yung koi with Japanese carp. Dito sa Japanese courtyard, nasa Japan. Tapos may naglilinis ng dahon dito. Siya po ay si, ang pangalan mo po, kuya? Dani. Tuwing umaga kasi may nanlalaglag na dahon. Guys, once again, good afternoon. This is your leader of the group. We are now, hindi kami dito sa economy, hindi kami sa comfort, but we're going to go on business class, courtesy of Philippine Airlines. This is our group. Yan. Hindi po pwedeng pakilala ha. Okay, yan. Ito yung ating model, si Sir Dennis, lagi niya sa kainan, sa paliligo. These are the hardworking group of, hindi pwedeng sabihin. And we are now here at the Jensan International Airport. And thank you for visiting Jensan. See you soon, guys. Merry Christmas, guys. Greetings from General Santos International Airport.